So welcome to Endurance Engineering Academy. Vinod here. So what is the plan? The plan is like a series of videos regarding the last 15 days. Okay. So the video will contain motivation, the video will contain the guidance which is actually required for all the students in this last 15 days. And the video will contain a small plan. Okay, so how to tackle this last 15 days, what should be the broad idea, okay, broad plan. Okay, so this is going to be a series of videos. All the videos are going to be as small as possible, something around 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Like I will try to make it as small videos. Okay. Now the first video is all about last 15 days. If you are in the last 15 days, how you are going to, that is last 15 days for your exam. Okay, so if you are in the last 15 days of your exam, GATE exam, or any competitive exam, most probably I'm just talking with respect to GATE. You can consider this for other exams like ISRO, BARC also. Okay, right. So in the last 15 days, my preference will be to divide it into 8 and 7 days. Okay, in the first 8 days, my suggestion, or I could say that this is something which has worked for me. Okay, so the thing which is worked for me, I'm just sharing with you. Okay, so the first thing which you have to concentrate more is on revision. Okay, so you have to revise your short notes. SN indicates short notes, MN indicates mistake notes. So MN indicates mistake notes. What is mean by mistake notes? If you are doing some questions and if suppose there was a mistake which you are doing and you can write down the mistake separately as in a separate notes. For example, you are writing a test series, or if you are writing a previous year question, all those things you would have already done, right? So that is a mistake notes. So you need to revise your short notes, mistake notes, the formulas which has been updated from test series and previous year question. The thing is, like, you will read some concept, but there are few formulas or there are few critical things which can be observed only by solving problems. Okay, so if you solve previous year question, if you solve test series, you will get to know something. Okay, so those things you are writing it down separately, right? Those notes you have to revise everything periodically, as we already mentioned earlier. So the periodical revision should go on, and you need to give more importance to it during this 8 days. Now coming back to the second point, first is revision, second is practice. Obviously these are the two things, okay, which you have to concentrate on. So revision, I said already what are the things you need to revise, and in addition to short notes, mistake notes, formulas updated from test series, previous year questions, you can revise some concepts also, the concepts which you feel that you are weak in. Okay, now coming to previous year question, you have to solve as many previous year question as possible. You have to understand that properly. Solving means repeatedly solving is not enough. You have to understand it properly. And coming to mock test, yes, you have to write the mock test regularly. I used to write it in a manner such that in an alternate days. Okay, so one day I will keep mock test, another day I will do practice from previous year question, or the questions which has been came from the test series already, all those things, and again another day I will go for mock test. So alternate days I used to write mock test. So approximately you can write 4. Okay, right. Now regarding the mock test, once after writing, obviously you are going to get some score, and for the majority, okay, I'm saying it, for the majority you won't get your desired score. Okay, so if suppose if you are deciding to get 80, sometimes you will get 20 only, or sometimes you will get 30 only. Okay, your aim is 80 but you are getting 20 or 30 only. That happens to everyone. Okay, regarding that aspect, I will do it in another video. Okay, so that will be in this series only, that will be in the next videos. Right, so mock test, and after writing mock test, again you will be getting something. Okay, you will be getting some formulas, you will be getting some hints, some critical tips, and all those things has to be updated again. So finally this updated formulas, test series, previous year question, all these things is what I could say is an asset for you. Okay, so by revising this one, you need to recollect everything. Okay, all the concepts which has been learned from concept, which is learned from questions, which is learned from test series, from previous year questions, and all your mistakes, everything should be there as a compact notes with you. Okay, so that you can that you have to revise it periodically. So this is obviously the first 8 days of the last 15 days. Now going for the last 7 days. Okay, one thing was missing there. The thing is mock test. I will suggest you not to write mock test in the last 7 days. The reason is, in the last 7 days, I will ask you to concentrate more on concepts, formulas, all the things which you have to recollect repeatedly. The last 7 days is not it should not be dedicated more for practice. Like except this last 7 days, from the beginning of your preparation until this last 7 days, you need to give equal importance to practice and also to developing your concept. But last 7 days, my suggestion is to go through your concepts, okay, to revise your concepts more, revise your mistakes, okay, revise your mistakes, whatever the mistakes you did, revise the formulas, revise your short notes, go through the concepts once again. Okay, so keep on doing that repeatedly. And the star marked questions, I already made a video about this also. Okay, so star marked questions, whatever the star marked questions which is available from your previous year, from your test series, or whatever the source you are having, all the star marked questions has to be concentrated on the last 7 days. Okay, so one is concentrating more on revision. Okay, so going more on concepts and formulas instead of going for more practice. See, the first 8 days you have to divide it equally, only revision should happen, practice should happen. But in the last 7 days, majority should be revision and the minority should be the practice, and that practice you are going to do the star marked question. Okay, already you guys know what is meant by star marked question. I already discussed in a separate video. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so regarding the study plan, okay, I'm talking about the study plan. This is how you need to divide your day. In a day, you have to plan for revision, you have to plan for star mark question. Regarding the study plan, regarding the other things, I will talk about it. Okay, so this is simply study plan for the 15 days. Okay, so we will see in the next video.